And, of course, Samia Suluhu Hassan becomes the first female president both in Tanzania and in the East African region. But we want now to take a look at Africa's previous female presidents. Now, in 1993 to 1994, we had SYLVIE KINIGI, who was a caretaker president of Burundi following the killing of Melchior SYLVIE. In 2006, from 2006 to 2018, a 12-year rule, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, elected president of Liberia, and of course, her rule is one that was one of the most authoritative known in the continent. And in 2009, Rose Francine Rugombe was the interim president of Gabon following the death of Omar Bongo. In 2012, Monique Ohsan-Belepo, acting president of Mauritius, after the resignation of Sir Anawood Jugnoth, and from 2012 to 2014, a 2-year rule, Joyce Banda, president of Malawi, after the death of Bingu wa Mutharika. Another 2-year rule from 2014 to 2016 was that of Catherine Samba-Panza, transitional president of Central African Republic, who was elected by their parliament. And from 2015 to 2018, in Mauritius, Amina Gurib-Fakim was elected president of Mauritius by their parliament. And also in 2018, just neighboring country of Ethiopia, we saw Sahle-Work Zewde elected as president of Ethiopia by their parliament. Just looking at the previous female presidents in Africa in light of this very historic moment within the East African region.